descends. The courts are closed. The palaces are closed. The gates are locked. Locks are put on. Doorkeepers are placed. Now it is after hours. The kings are in their reveling. The kings of this world are in their enjoyment and their haram and their filth. They are not prepared to entertain anyone. They are not prepared to listen to anyone. At the time when everyone else is sleeping, in ghaflat, in negligence, Allah, in His majesty, in His glory, descends to the first heaven. And Allah calls out in the last third of the night, who is there to call unto me? Who is there that has some need that I may grant his need? Who is there that wants something so that I may grant it to him? Who is there that wants my forgiveness so that I may forgive him? Allah, who is not in need of us, who doesn't need us, yet He is calling out, who is there? مَنْ ذَا الَّذِي قَرَعَ عَلَى بَابِي فَلَمْ أَفْتَحْ لَهُ. Who is there that knocked on my door and that door was not open for him? مَنْ ذَا الَّذِي سَأَلَنِي فَلَمْ أُعْطِهِ. Who is there that asked from me and was not granted? Such a giver that if He doesn't give you in dunya, He will give you so much in akhirat that you will wish He didn't fulfill any wish of yours in dunya. Don't ask your needs from insan. Don't ask your needs from insan. Ask your needs from the one whose doors never close. Insan is such, the more you ask him, he will get angry with you. Allah is such that He gets angry when you don't ask from Him. This is Allah. Abdi, when you remember me, I remember you. And when you forget me, I still remember you. Ya Dawood, if those who had turned away from me, if those whose days are spent in my disobedience, if those whose nights are spent in my disobedience, if they had to come to know how much of shauq, how much of love, how much of muhabbat, how much of anticipation and affection I have for them, then their joy will be such that their limbs will split. O Dawood, if that is my love for those who have broken my orders, what is my love for those who are obedient to me? That is Allah.
طويل الشوق يبقى في اغترابي ثقير في الحياة من الصحاب ومن